I haven't been riding at all. Yamaha gang, bro. Let's go. Oh my God. What's good, bro? How you doing? This is beautiful, bro. Alright, gang. So it's been a while since I've been on this bike, bro. I don't even know if I know how to ride it still, bro. It feels so weird. How you guys doing? I'm Lars. Moto mommy! Let's go.
We haven't seen you riding.
I haven't been riding at all. Like, I got an e-bike, the electric bike. So I've been riding that a lot. What's good, bro? How you doing? I see you've been getting better, bro. Doing the stand-ups, hopping on the seat. That's sick. Let's go. Yamaha gang, bro. Let's go. Woo! Okay. Let's go. Bro. Look at, he's gotten so much better, bro. It's ridiculous. Look at the gang. Yeah! Gang outside, bro. Bro, he's gotten so much better. It's crazy. Coming in hot. Look at homie coming in, bro. Woo! I wonder where his friend is, because his friend got like the same sort of two-stroke. I don't know if, at least his friend had the X, I think, or that's the X. I got that. What happened? You're trying to bend your wheel?
No, I was gonna put the brake and I was like wheeling and then I was going too fast.
No, yeah, I seen it. You just slid into it.
Yeah, my wheels are like very.
They're drift. You got the drift tires on.
I was like, ah!
Hey, luckily it didn't bend. Bro, you heard that pop? I'm gonna have to check if we got fuel. Let's see that work. That Kawasaki, brother. Okay. Little knee knock. Oh boy, they're going doubles. Let's go. Shredding. Like, bro, 2 months off, and he's a whole new rider, bro. Hey, you got gas with you or no? Like gasoline? Yeah, I'm about to do that. Which one you go to, the Speedway? The one down there? You go out left. Well, hopefully it'll be safe. You go with me? Down there? You need gas or you're good? Man, all I can say is shout out to homie for coming to the gas station with me. He's a real one. You already know on the way back, we're shredding this whole road, but I'm like literally on my last drop. So I don't want to, you know, get in no freaking heated situation with no gas. Ah, right here. That's perfect. All right, and now we gas up. You sure? It's free gas. It's a one-time opportunity. Oh, you are full. That probably doesn't even use much gas, right? What's the top speed? 50 or something? 55? 55. You sure you don't want? Oh, you want gas? Just top it off. I mean, we're here. You might as well. I appreciate you coming with me, bro. Makes me feel a little safer. Just put that shit in there. Yeah, just put it to the tip, dog. Tipped up around here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I feel so like awkward on my bike right now. Like just because I haven't rode it in like 2 months.
You're in the e-bike?
I'm only the e-bike, so I've been using the handbrake. And now the
That was weird.
Yeah, it's so weird, bro. DRC! That's a 200? That's a 200? Oh, 650. Oh, no English. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, ocho. No, I don't know. All right, let's see it. Let's see that YZ work. Woo! Yes, sir! Oh, bro, it feels good to be back outside with the dirt bikes, bro. That turn, though. I like the DRZ. Could I try it? I could ride it? For real? You got kickstand? Does it really? Does it? DRZ, bro. Did you want to try it or you good? You good? Hey, thank you. I never rode a stretch DRZ, so I wanted to see if I could wheelie it, but I don't think I can. It's too long, bro. Like, it needs more power to be able to like really get a. There it is. Money, money. Is that the X or regular? X? Why is he X? That, why is it? Oh, okay, okay. I rode that, right? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey, y'all say my setup's sketchy. Mine ain't as sketchy as this, bro. This is way more sketchy than my setup, bro. Are you kidding me? Look at this, bro. He is millimeters. Oh my god. Bro, y'all can't hate on my setup anymore, dog. I don't want to hear no more hate. Bro, I want to peek this shit real quick. Oh my god. What's good, bro? How you doing? This shit is beautiful, bro. Yeah, bro. That colorway it's incredible. That colorway, bro, it looks so good, bro. Like, they killed it. Let's see, homie. Okay. Oh, okay. He's comfy. I can just tell. Yo, he's really comfy. Yo! I see you. I want to see that two-stroke. Let's hear that. Let's hear that two-stroke. Over here. Let's go. Oh my god, I think I hit a bug. Oh, he's gonna go for the turn? Get that turn, baby. That's what we're talking about. Locking on that hoe, brother. Let's go. We got a little homie on his brother's bike. Yeah. God damn. Boy, hitting that combo. Boy, comboed up. We got Moto Mommy out in the cut with the new YZ. Let's go. On that 2024. Killing it. Let's go. Woo! Yo! Wanna get some donuts in, bro? Let's go! Haha, that's sick! As you can see, the rain started coming. It's Florida, it's been raining every goddamn day, which sucks. But hey, what can you do about it? Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Wish us some freaking good weather next time. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace. Peace out, motherfucker.